Physics, motion lesson continues. Next is displacement. Displacement means when a body moves from one position to another position, the shortest distance, that is a straight line between the initial position and the final position. So of the body along with the direction is known as displacement. It's a vector quantity, its SI unit is meter. See like this, when body is moving like this and here and back and here. So if it stops here, that shortest distance is from initial position to final position straight line. So the magnitude of the displacement of for a course of motion may be 0 when the corresponding distance covered by is not 0. Means suppose this body is starting from here and going up to here and go up to here, then further here and coming back to the same position where it started. So distance here covered is total distance from here, but displacement is 0 because it has come to the original position. So that is the meaning of that. Then displacement of object can be positive, negative or 0. So displacement can be, it's a graph, positive side, negative side. So if it goes positive side, it goes to negative side. It can be 0 also. Here itself, it is moving there itself, that can be 0. Displacement of a moving object can never be greater than the distance traveled by it. See, displacement is initial position, final position, straight line. But distance covered may be so many directions, going here, going that side and all like this here. So displacement moving of displacement is always less than the distance traveled. Okay. Then velocity, the time rate of change of displacement of a body is called velocity, and it is a vector quantity. Velocity is displacement by time. Then relative velocity, the relative velocity of one object with respect to another object is the velocity with which one object moves with respect to the another object. So relative object is VAB is equal to VA minus VB. VA means velocity of A object, velocity of B object. So VA minus VB is the final the relative velocity if both the objects are moving in the same direction like this. So VA is equal to VA plus VB if the objects are moving in the opposite direction like this. Then acceleration. Acceleration, the time rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So it is a vector quantity denoted by A, and its SI unit is meter per second square. Then A is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by t. So V minus U by t. So when the velocity of a body increases with time, acceleration is positive. If the velocity of the body decreases with time, U is greater than V, then the acceleration becomes negative. So negative acceleration is also called deceleration or retardation. Okay, thank you.